One of my favorite things to eat is definitely a banana. But what does a banana peel do to prevent that little blossom end in tomatoes from going rotten? So, you know, your tomatoes have this little blossom on them, and sometimes that little end will go rotten. So the banana peel can help with that. So what do you do with this peel? Well, after you eat your banana, you cut it up, you dig a little trench around your tomatoes, just a little wee trench, not, you know, not too deep, just enough to bury the banana peel. You cut it up, put it in there, cover it. Don't touch the tomatoes with the banana peel, just around the plant. And what that does is it contains calcium. And what the calcium does, it prevents that blossom end from being rotten. So, you know, the next time you eat a banana, think about all the benefits for your garden, but think about your tomatoes and think about, I don't want to get that little flower to go rotten, so let's eat a banana and use the peel in our garden, right? Nature knows what she's doing, and you have a great day.